2023 is coming with a lot of changes for the animal sign, the dragon. Are they positive or are they negative? Keep watching. Welcome back. If you are born in the year of the dragon or you have a dragon anywhere in your Bazi natal chart, it's about to get shiny and bright for you. 2022 stars for you are great. Check them out. I'm going to share with you the screen and I'm going to show you exactly what are the stars orbiting in your space of existence. That means this year for you, you're going to have a lot of opportunities to become bright for yourself, to become bright for other people. So these are the stars orbiting around the dragon's space palace. And the number one in the spiritual realm is called the general. So the general star is a star that calls you to become aware of your internal process. I'm gonna stay until the end of this video. I'm gonna show you exactly how to manage the energy frequency from the general, because the general star is a very strong star. So at some level you have to activate, at some level you have to deactivate. So I'm going to help you to balance the frequency of the general star. Stay until the end of this video and I'm going to keep showing you how. You're also going to have the sun. The sun is one of the best stars to have. That's the one that brings in a lot of positive changes, a lot of brightness in your mind, in your emotions. So it's a year for you to step up and rise your vibration, rise and help other people to rise their frequency around you. Your family members, your co-workers, your employees, people that you lead, whoever comes your way, you meant this year 2023 to brighten up their path, to be a light for their life. So because their frequencies are very bright, just stay aware of the ego self, because when we become bright, we tend to think that we know better than everyone else. So stay humble and help other people with your brightness, okay? And most importantly, stay humble. That's one of the stars that are the best to have in our palaces. You also have two stars that are not so great, but stay until the end of the video. I'm going to show you how to deactivate the low vibrational energies from these two suns. But of course, at this stage, you may wonder what. So if you are born any of these years, you belong to the dragon, in case you don't know by now, right? But you may have the dragon in the month, in the day, or in the hour. Or if you don't have the hour, it's fine. You can just plug your Bazi on my calculator in this link that I post on the comment section. And that's it. Voila, you are ready then to learn everything about the dragon. So when the energy comes in our space, in our mind, in our frequency, in our spiritual and personal realms of the self, we get affected spiritually, personally. And when our personality get affected, our spirit get impacted. So it's our actions. So it's important to know what's the frequency in us every single time, because then we can prepare with our mindset. We can activate our mentality, our emotions. We can do it through incantations, through prayers, through mindset training, to basically get active and have our energy high vibing all the time. Because some of the energies that come into place, like the six harms, for example, and the yin sha, are in the low vibrational frequency. So when those energies trying to play with our mind and affect our emotions, then our actions get affected as well. So the only way that we can protect ourselves is through awareness. So once we are aware, then we are ready to face the year with all the activations and primary. Stay until then, because I want to show you location and how to activate the high vibrational energy so you can keep it high at all the time. Okay. So the spiritual aspect is the general, like I said. So I'm going to show you at the end why it's important to have this star on check. Okay. So by now, this is the years that you are born to have the dragon, right? But you may have it on the year. So let's suppose that you have the dragon in the year. So if you have the dragon in the year, then this year is for you to be able to connect with people overseas, connect with people in the outside, people that is in your industry. You're supposed to be the helpful person for other people. If you have the dragon in the month, so if you have the dragon in the month, then you are there to be the leader, the shining sun for people in your work environment. Also, if you are a coach, if you are a healer, if you are a counselor, if you are in a position of leadership, brightening up people's path, then this is a great start to have this year, the dragon in the month pillar. If you have the dragon in the day, then this year your spouse is the one who will get the benefit from the brightness of the sun, the brightness that is shining inside the dragon. So it's a great year to connect with your spouse in a spiritual level, to connect with your spouse in a helpful way, to open up your heart, your emotions, be more supportive, and most importantly, help the person to rise the vibrational energy whenever that person needed the most. So you're gonna be the shoulder to cry for your spouse. Okay. So if you have the dragon in the hour, then you are the smarty pants this year, because then whatever ideas that you come up with could be the $1 million idea. So pay attention to those ideas that pop in out of nowhere that apparently are brilliant. Think them through, write them down in a journal, write them down in a planner, and if they keep popping up, is because they want to come alive. So pay attention to those. So I'm going to show you now exactly what to do, how to activate the sector, because this is personal Feng Shui, it's spiritual and personal Feng Shui, and this is applied on your home. So get the floor plan of your home, draw it out with a marker, print it out or put it on a PowerPoint, download the template that I provide on my comment sections, download my free ebook that I created for you all. So you can just download it, follow the steps, it's very simple, and apply the Feng Shui at your home. And I'm gonna show you location for you to activate these beautiful stars that have the dragon has this year. So the location for the dragon, not just this year, but in every home and every time, is the southeast. Okay, so make sure that the southeast of your home, especially if you have the dragon in the year and the day, this palace is very well cared. There's no garbage there, it's no missing sector, it's no a kitchen burning the dragon, or it's not something that is stuck. For example, a storage room is a stuck energy, nothing heavy is there. Make sure you don't renovate it without selecting a day selection appropriate, so you don't destroy the energy of the dragon, because this is personal Feng Shui. So when you attack the palace of the dragon, you're attacking the self, meaning yourself, if you belong to the dragon's energy. So this is very advanced application of Feng Shui. It's micro application, but it's very important. So if you have the dragon there and it's usable space, make sure it's a desk where you can work, study, meditate, Basically, if you can open the windows, clear the area, make it fresh so the air circulate, it's great feng shui for the dragon, okay? And whenever you feel low, then go and see what's happening in the dragon sector. Maybe someone put something there heavy, some vibrational energy that is not good. And you have to always keep it fresh and clean and activate and healthy. Because it is personal feng shui. So whatever happening to your dragon sector is happening to the person that belongs to the dragon. Is you or your kids or any family member in there, okay? So I'm gonna show you, I'm gonna, after this section, after we finish with this video, you're gonna go to my next video, which is I created with meditations. So you're gonna activate these stars through meditations, and they are very special this year because I make it with binaural sound, because it help us, binaural sound help us to go deep in our unconscious mind, because our unconscious mind governs 95% of our actions. So I'm going to activate the two gray stars. I'm going to deactivate the bad energies of the dragon in 2023. So you can do this practice every day or every week or every month, or whenever you need it, to be aware of the energies of the dragon, to activate them, and most importantly, through actions, because it doesn't matter what energy frequency comes in to affect us, impact us. We always need to take action and activate the good stars, okay? So remember to be the sun. Remember to lead yourself and the people around you. And if you really enjoy this video, please subscribe, follow to learn more. Most importantly, share, leave me a comment. Let me know if you are a dragon or if you have dragon in any of your palace. And I will let you with the meditation. Don't forget that you can contact me in any of my other channels, on Instagram and TikTok or in Facebook. Share, subscribe. I'll see you in my next video. Be the light that the world needs to see. You and I will see each other in my next video.